Files and folders. A file is the basic unit of storage on a computer. Each time you save your work in a program, you create a file. All the software saved on the computer are also stored as files. Each computer has thousands of files. To make it easier to find files, you can group them in folders. A folder is a place to store files and other folders. Windows Explorer. When you click on Windows Explorer button on the taskbar, a window opens displaying icons of all the hard disk drives, saved files and folders. This window is called Windows Explorer window and is used to view and manage the document, music, picture and other files in the various folders across the different storage devices in the computer system. Navigation pane. The navigation pane gives access to all storage devices connected to the computer. Standard folders such as documents and pictures are available under Libraries. The Favorite section let us access often visited folders. When you click an item in the navigation pane, its details are displayed in the right section of the window called Contents pane. Contents pane. This right section of the window is also called the Details pane and displays the details or contents of the currently selected drive, device or folder. Menu bar. The menu bar provides options such as Organize and View to work with the contents of the current location. The Change Your View button present at the right side of menu bar lets us change the view of the Details pane. Search box. This box is used to find files stored in the current folder. Transferring files from one disk drive to another. You can copy or move files or folders from one disk drive, such as a hard disk or pen drive, to another disk drive. To transfer files, Step 1 in the navigation pane. Click the disk drive that contains the file or folder you want to copy. Step 2. Select the file or folder to be copied. Step 3. Click on Organize on the menu bar. Step 4. Click on Copy or Cut option from the menu that appears. Step 5. In the navigation pane, select the destination disk drive. Step 6. Click Organize and click on Paste option from the menu that appears. Working with multiple applications. Windows 7 provides many features to work with multiple programs. Let us discuss some of them. Arrow flip. The arrow flip is a unique feature in Windows 7. It displays small images of all open program windows stacked in a beautiful 3D display. You can switch from one image to another to open a specific window. To use arrow flip, Step 1. Click the Windows plus Tab key on the keyboard. Windows displays images of all open windows on the desktop. Step 2. Keeping the Windows key pressed, press Tab key repeatedly to cycle between all open windows. Step 3. When the window you want to switch to appears in the front, release the Windows key. Jump lists. This feature lets you view a list of recently opened files in a program that is pinned to the taskbar and open a file directly. Step 1. Right-click Program icon on the taskbar. A list of recently opened files in the program appears. Step 2. Click the file you want to open. Snap. The Snap feature in Windows 7 lets you arrange open windows and use the screen space efficiently. To snap a window, drag the title bar to the top edge of the desktop to maximize the window. Drag the title bar to the left or right edge of the desktop to snap the window to the respective side. The window occupies half the desktop. Click and shake the title bar of a window to minimize all other program windows. Various file formats. A file is always saved with an extension. This is done to identify the type of file that determines which program should open it. The file name and the extension are separated by a period sign. For example, if we save a Word file by the name project, it will be saved as project.docs. Here docs stands for document and is an extension of all Word files. There are hundreds of different file extensions and file types used with computers. Some of them are audio files, .mp3, mp3 audio file, .wpl, Windows Media Player playlist, word processor files, .odt, Apache OpenOffice Writer document, .docs or .doc, Microsoft Word document, video file, .avi, avi file, .flv, Adobe Flash file, .mp4, mpeg4 video file, presentation files, .odp, Apache OpenOffice Impress presentation, .pptx or .ppt, PowerPoint presentation, .pps, PowerPoint slideshow, compressed files, .rar file, .zip, zip compressed file, spreadsheet files, .ods, Apache OpenOffice Calc spreadsheet, .xlsx or .xls, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, image files, .bmp, bitmap image, .gif, gif image, .jpeg or .jpg, JPEG image, .png, png image, .psd, Photoshop image, .tif or .tiff, TIFF image, programming files, .c, C source code file, .java, Java source code file, .vb, Visual Basic source code file, .cpp, C++ source code file. Searching for files using wildcard characters. You can search for a file saved in your hard disk using the search box in Windows Explorer. While searching for the file, if you do not know what exactly you are looking for, or if you do not remember the exact name, you use the wildcard characters. You just need to replace the search text with the wildcard characters. There are two wildcard characters, asterisk and question mark. Wildcard question mark. The question mark symbol is used to substitute for one letter or symbol that you don't know. This matches a single letter in a specific position. For example, if you are looking for a file that starts with sun but cannot remember the rest of the file name, but you know the file name has 4 characters, you will type sun question mark. This will locate and display all files starting with sun but having only 4 characters such as sun1, sunny, etc. Wildcard asterisk. The asterisk symbol is used to substitute for one or more letters and symbols. This matches any number of characters. For example, if you are looking for a file that starts with sun but cannot remember the rest of the file name, you will type sun asterisk. This will locate and display all files starting with sun, such as sun, sunny, Sunday, etc. Let us understand the use of wildcard characters through some examples. Wildcard character. Examples. Asterisk. Comp asterisk dot docs will display computer.doc, compu.doc, etc. All files that start with comp and may have any number of characters and extension docs, that is word file. Comp asterisk dot asterisk will display computer.doc, compu.doc, complete.jpg, compare.ppt, etc. All files that start with comp and may have any number of characters and any extension. *.pptx will display compare.pptx, solar.pptx, etc. All files that may have any number of characters and extension pptx. Comp .doc will display compute.doc. All files that start with comp and have only 5 letters in their names and extension doc. 3 times .jpg will display abc.jpg, img.jpg, sun.jpg, adi.jpg, etc. All files with only 3 letters and extension jpg. P dot asterisk will display comp.pptx, camp.jpg, coop.jpg, etc. All files with only 4 letters but the first letter as C and last letter as P and any extension